Oh my god, that's what I've been waiting for. That is so cute. What is up, guys? How are you guys doing? So my box came in today. Anybody else love ordering off of the Sephora app, or is it just me? I love watching unboxing videos. So now it's going into the beginning of October, and now Sephora has the Christmas collection, and it's the best time when they have their collection because it's limited edition. Cute this packaging is. This is one of the Too Faced. So excited to open this. This is the one that I've been so excited for. Oh, once you open this, you have a 24-hour eyeshadow primer, melted matte liquid lipstick. So cute. I love just how creative they are with their packaging. So the top here is the roof, the house, and the little gingerbread man with Better Than Sex mascara. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this out. I love unboxing things. Start with the roof. 3 triangles. There's a highlighter, blush, and bronzer. Isn't this packaging so cute? What do you think about this packaging? I am absolutely obsessed with the packaging. It's just so creative. A little gingerbread cookie. And then the back, just these little drips, just frosting. It's just so cute. Like, Too Faced, why do you come up with these ideas? Check out this packaging. Isn't it so cool? Day look, and also if you want to go for a nighttime look, it also has that. Just look at all these colors. Oh my god, I really like the colors that they have this year. What's in this one? Palette has 2 mattes and 4 super glittery toppers. Now you apply it on top of the rest of your eyeshadow or the inner tear ducts. But I wonder how good is the quality with this packaging though. This is a little magnet that you could just put this little house together so you don't lose it. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. This packaging, Too Faced, is the cutest I've seen all year round. If you want this one, you could just take it off or just put it back on after you're done. And this brand new $2.19 spicy gingerbread man. Oh, almost drops that gingerbread man palette that I picked up is a Too Faced gingerbread extra spicy. I'm not even kidding you. When you first open this brand new package, it smells spicy. Just look at how gorgeous these colors are. We're here. They always have really amazing packages. I also got their liner because I ran out of my eyeliner, so I'll be testing this out. Your eyeliner transfer throughout the whole entire day on your upper lid or like the down here. It just looks like a punch in the face. So let's prevent that. Let me know down in the comments below. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, and above, don't forget to smile and be yourself.